iScope Media. We bring you the latest political news from across the country. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav on Sunday hit back at Union Home Minister Amit Shah for his jam zipe in Azamgarh and said he would reply to jam with butter. Akhilesh Yadav said, "I don't know what BJP means by jam. As far as I know, jam stands for Jhoot, Ahankar for BJP and Mehengai in their rule." He was addressing a gathering after a road show during Samajwadi Vijay Yatra in the Hata area of Kushinagar district in the eastern Uttar Pradesh. Akhilesh Yadav also added the BJP needs to reply to jam, but it is diverting people's attention from core issues like inflation, corruption and unemployment. "We will reply to their jam with our butter. Soon you will know what our butter is." On Saturday, Union Home Minister Amit Shah also attacked the Samajwadi Party at a public meeting in Azamgarh, the Lok Sabha constituency of Akhilesh Yadav. He had asked people to choose between SP's jam, Pakistan founder Jinnah, Azam Khan and Mukhtar Ansari, and BJP's jam, which was Jan Dhan account Aadhaar card and mobile phones to eradicate poverty. However, Akhilesh in his address criticized the BJP for rising prices of petrol and diesel across the country. He alleged the BJP is pandering to the poor only because the election is around the corner in Uttar Pradesh. He said if the BJP stays in power, it, which was referred to the fuel price, will touch rupees 150. They are not increasing the price as election is round the corner. The poor are being given food only till the elections. They are saying that it has been extended from Holi to Diwali, he said, adding that if his party comes to power, food will be available round the year. Addressing a rally in the SP bastion of Azamgarh on Saturday, Mr. Shah had said that Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has rid the Purvanchal region of mosquitoes and mafia. He claimed that while PM Modi strived to give a corruption-free government, SP was inducting into the fold people like Mukhtar Ansari, a Dawn-turned politician. Amit Shah had said BJP gave the people jam, which was referred to Jan Dhan, bank accounts, Aadhaar card and mobile. But the SP people say they have also brought jam, Jinnah, Azam Khan and Mukhtar, which was referred to Dawn-turned politician Mukhtar Ansari. BJP leader at the public meeting in Azamgarh, where he laid the foundation stone of the state university, had said, "Tell me whether you want BJP's jam or SP's jam. These people can never work for the welfare of the Uttar Pradesh. These people do the politics of division." For his part, Akhilesh Yadav responded to the turnout at the road show by saying the people of Uttar Pradesh have decided to change the government, which has changed names and colors. He also said they have laid the foundation stone of the university in Azamgarh, but they should also mention its budget. A medical university that they have set up in the name of Atal Bihari Vajpayee is running on the 9th floor of a medical college which was built by the SP. In addition, an agriculture university which was given to the Azamgarh by the SP was taken to Gorakhpur by Babaji, an apparent reference to Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who is also the chief priest of Gorakhnath temple in Gorakhpur. While attacking the BJP, he also said, at least they should say how much investment has come to the country. Well, now stay with us. We shall bring you all the latest updates on this. This is Aparna Sundar reporting for iScope Media.